everybody, Andy Lopez, Invisible Gardener here. Getting ready to feed my worms again. Organic bananas, not rotten, cut both ends open. I got a little tool, like a little fork, that I can use to move the worms around. This is my worm farm here, see, take a look, there it is. I also have a little other tool, it's like a spoon. And of course the worm, this is a better view of it. Protected from the sun, little aeration up there in case when it closes. And so I'm going to set up some places over here to open it up, you see, right? And this is currently being used. There you go, take a look. Hi everybody. The worms are waving at you. So I'm going to open up a little space right here with this tool. I can move a little corner here. I'm not only going to put this one back, let them finish eating, but I'm going to come over here and get one of these. See, you open both ends. Not that you need to, but it makes it easier. It was suggested to me by the worms, could you open both ends, please? So I put that one there. See, right? There it is. And then we just close it back up again. Okay, and I'm going to come over here to this end of it, only because I just... These are the areas I know that I haven't put food in yet. I come out here on a regular basis. You want to make sure you don't overfeed them. Make sure you don't underfeed them. Make sure you don't overwater them. You know, you need to give them a little bath. Too much water, they drown. So this one, and you can see there's nobody in here using this corner at the moment. See, right? They love avocados, soft. So I'm putting that one right there. See, and then closing it over. I think we got, what we got? One more banana. So usually the middle, you can see there's a blueberry left over. So, and you can see the little worms are all very busy eating. Very, very happy worms. You see this one's already almost eaten up. See, hardly anything left. The worms already decided they're still there, see? So I'm making a little spot right here for them. I'll dig this out for the banana, right? Go get my, see what's this? Shell eggs and a bunch of stuff. So here's another banana. It gonna go right in there. I'm gonna cover it right back up again, put that little bit of food left in there. Then cover it all back up again, pat, pat, pat. Make sure there are no worms stuck to the spoon. And we're good to go. Now, of course, there's worm juice. There's the worm juice. Right, and this has canola oil at the base of the worm farm to make sure that ants don't get up in it. They will attack your worm farm and eat your worms, and make sure you know you have a nice ant colony. See there? So here it is over here. You see the canola oil. Right? There's another one over there. So all four bases are not on the ground so that the ants can't get at it. Sometimes you'll get a little moss growing. And that's because this is the food section of it. This one's close to the surface. Let me show you, look. See? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to help them out a little bit, dig this in a little bit, and put them back in a little deeper. There you go. See? So put them all back in a little deeper. There, I think you can see them. They're moving around on the outside, but they're going to be going back in soon. See, I think they're over here somewhere. Okay, guys. See you later. Happy growing. Organically, of course. Bye now. Hey everyone, thanks for stopping by. This is Andy Lopez, Invisible Gardener. This quick show is called On the Worm Farm. So the show tells you what I do on a daily basis to take care of my worms. And you too can have a healthy worm farm. Please follow, like, and make a comment, okay? I'll answer all your comments. Bye now.